how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon or the U icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, if you scroll through, as you can see, there is no option for logging out. So in order to log out, tap on the switch account option you see there, and at the bottom, you will see the option for use YouTube signed out, and with this, you will be signed out of your YouTube account and will move to the home screen of YouTube, which is the signed out version. So this is how you can log out of YouTube account on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.